but today
So
I will search the exact word of sannyas in English. See,
definitely, please let me know.
when we speak, we get to know so many words which we use in our daily life, but we don't know exact meaning in English. So, hi Vaibhav, good morning.
Hi Sarita, good morning.
How are you?
I am good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So, Vaibhav,
So,
tell me something about your hobbies, what you like.
I like, especially when I'm free. In that case, I like listening song, especially Punjabi songs. I do
Punjabi
like
songs.
Punjabi. Yeah. And
Okay.
sometimes I listen Bollywood song, and I don't like English songs
Same here.
because I can't understand. Yeah, I can't understand. And if like if somebody playing Punjabi song, na, so I feel like to do dance some. So
Yes.
and other thing, I like playing cricket.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
I'm
So,
very fond of
how
cricket.
often you
Watching.
play cricket?
Once in a week, you can say.
Okay,
Once in
so
a week, you can say.
in current situation also you are playing cricket with your friends?
In street, we can play in street.
Yes.
We cannot go to the ground because you know na lockdown is going on,
Yes.
so we cannot gather
Great.
together. So
Great. So who is your
that's the issue.
favorite? Who is your favorite cricketer?
I think Yuvraj Singh was my favorite cricketer. When he used to play, yeah, I used to watch his every match.
Oh, that's great. And
Yuvraj Singh,
what about current cricketers whom you like the most?
current, I can say Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant. I don't know.
Yeah, I like Rishabh Pant. Yes, Virat
Actually, I'm
Kohli,
not
Rishabh.
very fond of cricket. So actually, to be very frank, I don't know the cricketer's name. I just know Dhoni, Kohli, and that is only just
These are
because
the
of
celebrated, na?
because of the
These are the
advertisements.
big names.
Yes,
Yeah, these are the big names, so everybody knows about them.
yes.
Sachin Tendulkar,
So
Saurav Ganguly, everybody
yes.
knows about
So
them.
Yuvraj Singh has stopped playing cricket.
Yeah, he played from 2000 to 2013 or 14, I think.
So he has stopped completely. He's not playing in
Yes,
IPL or One Day or 2020. He don't plays.
No, right now he's not. I think he is playing IPL, but
Okay.
he's not playing any international cricket.
Okay.
He has taken a like.
Is a proper word for sannyas? I don't think so.
We can say I got retired. We can say I got retired from the cricket.
Okay.
If you watch news, they always say na ki
He
Dhoni
has
got
taken
retired.
retirement. Yes.
He has taken retirement.
Yes.
So,
but today I will search the exact word of sannyas in English. See,
definitely, please let me know.
when we speak, we get to know so many words which we use in our daily life, but we don't know exact meaning in English. So this is the
Actually, na, what happens when we write something na? What happens in when we write something na? So we have lots of time to think. What can we use? Even we can Google. If something is not coming to our mind, we can just go to the Google and search, and then we can put the sentence in the written sentence. But while we are speaking na, so we don't have lots of time to think. We like just blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah. True.
So that's the thing.
Yes.
So we have to speak whatever comes in our mind, and if the person whom we are talking with can understand what you are saying, I think that is a good communication.
Yes, that is good communication. Yes. For me also, communication is the process. One speak, another understand. That's it.
Yeah, that's it only.
Yes, true.
And gradually we will improve.
Yeah, obviously. See, we have just started our learning journey. We have just started our spoken journey. So it will take some time. We know that.
Yeah. This is a common language. Now, if we travel to South India, you will see people can speak only either their native language or English. They
Yes.
can't even speak Hindi, single word of Hindi. So if we travel anywhere in the world, we can manage if we know English. Whether
Yes.
we go to China and we go to America, England, Britain, anywhere in world, anywhere.
Yes, it is a
So we
common
can manage.
language. It is a common
It's
language.
a common language.
And see, it's not about that we need to speak to the foreign people also, but in our professional life also, if we are talking to the internal team, like we are talking to the North team also, then also English plays an important role. Nowadays, to be very frank, English has become a show-off kind of thing also. Like if you can speak English very good, people will take you at a superior level. They will think you
Yes,
that
yes.
yes, you are a good guy, you are a good professional. But if you can't
Actually,
speak
it has
English,
become a,
yes,
one more thing I would like to add. It has become a social symbol.
true, true.
Am I right?
Yes, yes, you are 100%
Yeah,
right.
this is the thing. If
Yes,
you are good with your English, na people understand that you are good. You are a knowledgeable person.
true,
If person
true.
is personal, if person doesn't know anything apart from English, if he knows English, na he will get a job.
Yes, he will get a job and that too
Matter-
at a good level.
Yes, whether he doesn't know about any technical term,
Yes, yes.
but
It
what
is
he
all
study,
about
it doesn't
English.
matter.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Most of people cannot get a job just because of their lack of English
Yes.
knowledge. They are very good where their mathematics, they are very good with their history, whatever they have studied in their study time. That doesn't matter. If your English is not good, now you cannot survive.
Yes, you cannot survive and you cannot grow actually.
Yeah, this is
Yes.
the, I think, bad thing as well.
Yeah, bad thing, but nothing can be done at this part.
Yeah.
Yes, we have
Actually,
to.
lockdown is very you can say it is a good time to learn.
Yes.
Because people are not going outside, you don't have lots of work to do. When we are at home, so we can learn.
Yes, yes. We have enough free
See,
time. We can speak to the people. Yes, yes.
if we are talking together, the day before, 2 or 3 days before, I was just scrolling down the YouTube videos and suddenly your video came to me and I watched your video with 2 or 3 people. I can't remember the name of that person. He was from MP. The
Yes.
person was wearing specs like me. I don't know his name.
Ankit Sahu.
Ankit Sahu. Yes. He was a student, I think.
Yes, he is a student.
One more ma'am was there. She was from Kerala.
Yes, Sarathi.
Yeah, sir. Yeah,
Yes.
she was nice.
See, nowadays people have so much passion towards English. See, we don't get that speaking environment, so YouTube has given us that platform there we can speak to the different people and we can work on our spoken part. So people have started using it as a good opportunity and as a good platform.
Yeah, if sometimes what happens if we speak with any stranger, na, so that is, I think that is good. If we talk to any
Known person.
Why are you speaking in English, yaar? If we are talking
Yes,
in Hindi
yes.
since born, since childhood,
Yes,
so
yes.
they start making fun of us.
True.
So we feel hesitate while talking to them.
Yes. See, Hindi is our common language,
Yeah.
so we also love to speak in Hindi. It's not like that we also love
Yeah.
in speaking English. This is, yes, we are speaking English just to enhance our skills. But if someone talks to me in Hindi,
Yeah,
I also feel that comfort level that yes, I am also gonna speak in Hindi.
Actually, because we don't get the complete environment to speak English now, because with
Yes.
our parents or our siblings, we usually talk in Hindi only.
Yes, yes, it is true. It is true.
So that's why, like, if you go to Delhi NCR area, you will see people, even 10-year-old child can speak better English than us.
Yes, true. Because they have got that environment.
Yes. And I have
Yes,
studied in Hindi medium. I have
same
studied in
here.
Hindi medium.
Same, but still, we I will appreciate we all people that we are doing hard work on improving our English. See, we have
Yeah.
improved a lot. It's
I
never
can
too
see your
late.
English is good. Your English is good.
Yes, I have worked a lot. It's not so good, but yes, at least I can speak to the people.
Yeah,
Now
sure.
after practicing with so many people, I have that confidence. Yes. Whosoever is in front of me, I can speak with him. I have that confidence now.
Actually, you are running YouTube channel, na? So people from everywhere watch your videos.
Yes.
And they connect. As I told them, I watched your video. Some MP person was there.
Yes.
Any Kerala ma'am, the ma'am from Kerala was always there. Sometime any other state people will also be there with you. So it is good for you.
Yes, it is.
You have a chance to talk with everyone. You have chance to talk with everyone.
Yes. And see, when I
In
speak to
future,
the
maybe-
different people, I get to learn so many things from them. They have different ideas that how can we improve our spoken English.
Definitely.
One day I was talking to a person from Ludhiana. He gave me such a nice tip. See, we Haryanvi people and we Punjabi people speak very fast. And when we speak fast, we make so many mistakes because we are
actually we initially what happened with what happened to me, I think in Hindi.
Yes, and then I translate in English.
Convert to in English. Then I used to convert in English and then I speak.
Yes.
It took a lot of time to speak when you think in your native language.
Yes, it happens. So that guy told me that, ma'am, whenever I speak, I use a sticky note that speaks slowly. Because when I speak fast, I forget making sentences and words don't come in my mind. But when I speak slowly, I can get the words in my mind. So he suggests me also that, ma'am, whenever you speak, you please get that note in front of you that you need to speak slowly.
Yes.
Yes,
And I
people
used
speak
to
very
think.
fast.
Yes, you are right. And what I used to think that if you are talking in English fluently means I used to think if you are talking very fast, but fluency doesn't mean you are talking in fast way.
No.
Fluency means you are not making any mistake. You are
Yes,
just speaking.
yes, that is actual fluency, that you are not making any mistake and you are not using those fillers which we people are using right now. Yes, thinking mode. So that is the fluency. Fluency doesn't mean speaking very fast like a train. Yes.
No, earlier I used to think like that.
Yes, me too, but nothing can be done. See, we Haryanvi people speak very fast when it comes to Hindi or it comes to Haryanvi. We people are fast in speaking. So when we speak English also, that fastness automatically comes. We cannot do anything in that. But I am working on it. But I am getting failed. 2 or 3 sentences I speak slowly and then I again get that speed. I again start speaking faster.
But now you are speaking in a very correct way. You are not making any mistake. Even I am making, I know, but you are not making any mistake.
No, see, I do make many mistakes. See, what happened when I started speaking English, I used to think that, yes, I am not making any mistake. Then I started recording my videos. And after watching those videos, I get to know that, oh, I had made so many mistakes. Because I know the sentences, I know where verbs can be used. But when it comes to speaking part, I forget everything.
But
so
that's
why I started posting my videos on the YouTube so that people can also see that and they also get to learn that, okay, I know the English, but when it comes to the speaking part, we forget everything. We forget all the grammar rules.
Yeah. And only on YouTube, mostly tutors are available. Not a learning person except you. That is a nice initiative taken by you because you already are learning.
Yes, I am in learning phase.
You are on learning stage.
Yes.
And when we watch videos on YouTube, they all are tutor.
They all are tutor. True, true,
Some
true.
of them are teaching grammar, some of them are teaching something else related to, but they are teaching. They are
teaching,
in
right?
teaching, they are tutor.
Yes.
And you are learner. That's a great thing, I think.
Yes. And see, people post in comments whatever mistakes I made, they correct me in the comment box. So one day I got a comment that, ma'am, you used did and the second form came. I asked one of the person that how did this idea came in your mind. So when it comes to the grammar part, I was aware about that second form does never come with the did past sentence. But once that people pointed me out, I have that thing in my mind while talking to the person that, okay, you are not going to use the second form with the verb with did. So it also improving us a lot when someone point out something, and it helping a lot. Yes.
Yeah, definitely. I think when we are speaking, we don't need to think about grammar. If we think about grammar, we start fumbling.
Yes, it happens. It happens.
It happens, Yes. While we are writing, we can use grammar, but in speaking, you don't need to think more about grammar. If you think about grammar,
everything is going to mess up.
What should I use? What should I use?
I'm saying everything is going to mess up once we start thinking. Yes. Yes.
I should use has. I should have used has. This kind of things coming in your mind if you are like thinking about grammar.
Yes, true. And this thing hinders also in speaking, because there is something in our mind going in that, okay, you are making mistakes while speaking. So you had that fear in your mind that, okay, people are going to point that out, and then everything goes down. Then we stop speaking. So Vaibhav, our meeting is going to finish in next 1 minute. So,
okay.
Yes. So I think we should call it for the day. Yes.
Definitely, we will. I would like to connect you with sometime else.
Yes.
Again, I would like to connect with you.
Same here, Vaibhav. It's very nice talking to you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.